Amy from Origami Tree, bringing you free crafty fun all year round. And today we'll be learning how to make a pop-up heart flower bouquet card. This card is super fun and easy to make, and it's also very versatile, so you can use it for many different types of occasions, whether it's birthdays or Mother's Day is coming up, or any other day really. But before we jump into the video, if you are new to this channel, be sure you hit subscribe and also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the Pop-Up Heart Bouquet card, you're going to need 2 blank cards. Now I'm going to use the light blue one as the inside and the pattern one as the outside. And they should slip right into each other like this. So I'm going to take the light blue one first. And along the spine, I'm going to mark off 3 spots. So I'm going to mark off 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 8.5 centimeters. At the 2 centimeter mark, I am going to draw a horizontal line that is 1.5 centimeters long. So I'm just going to draw right out there. At the 8.5 centimeter mark, I'm going to draw a line that is 4 centimeters long. So this line here is 4 centimeters long, and this line here is 1.5 centimeters long. Now take a pair of scissors and cut along the 2 lines that you just drew. So now we're going to put our finger at the 4 centimeter mark right over here. You can just put your fingernail like that. And then we're going to fold this triangle over here diagonally. So we're going to go like that. And then crease it in. And I'm going to use a bone folder to help me make a sharper fold. We're going to do the exact same thing at the bottom over here. So for this one, we're going to fold upwards like this, also making a triangle shape. And crease that in. Now I'm grabbing a sheet of scrapbook paper. Now this design is going to be used to make the wrapping paper of the bouquet. So I'm going to take this, flip it around so that the pattern side is facing down. And I'm going to take this card and place it right on top. And what I'm going to do here is to trace this triangle right here. So I'm going to go like this, trace it, and I'm going to trace this one as well. Now I'm going to trace this line and this line. Now I'm going to make a fold along this vertical line over here. So I'm going to fold it back. And crease it in. Flip it around. And I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut out these 2 triangles. And so now we have 2 triangles, so we're going to open that up and open this up. And it's going to fit right over here and right over here. So now let's put our focus back on the card over here. We're going to unfold this and unfold that. Unfold the entire card. And then we're going to stick our finger in here and pop it open like that. And like this. And then flatten it back. So now when you open it up, it's going to pop open like this. So now I'm taking my 2 triangles that I cut out earlier. I'm going to take the large one, glue it over here, and the small one, glue it over here. And now we're left with this. So I'm going to place the card aside again, and I'm going to grab some green sheets of paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut small little strips to make stems. So you can use 1 shade of green or 2 shades of green, or not even green, you can use another color if you want, but I'm just going to cut a couple of those. Now I'm going to cut off little hearts for the stem, so I have 5 sheets of paper here. These are 3 centimeter squares, have pink, purple, and a lighter pink. I'm going to grab one of them and fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. And then you can take a pencil and draw half a heart shape, or you can just eyeball it. You don't really have to draw it out if you don't want to. So I have my half a heart shape, and I'm going to cut that out. Have my little heart now. So now you want to make 4 more of these hearts with the remaining sheets of paper. So here are the 5 hearts and the 5 stems. Now you just want to grab a heart and place them onto the stem. So it kind of looks like a lollipop almost. Next, I'm going to place each one of these into the bouquet over here. Just dab a little bit of glue at the bottom and stick it in. You could put them in at varying heights and angles if you want. Now I'm going to grab a piece of ribbon and I'm going to tie a bow. And then glue it on with some glue or a little glue dot. I like to use glue dots because there is no drying time and it's actually really strong too. So that's why I'm going to use a glue dot. I'm just going to crumble it up a little bit. So now I'm going to go back to my first card over here, fold this over, place glue on the entire surface, and stick it into the pattern card. That's the front, and then do the exact same thing on the back. And close the card shut. And your pop-up heart bouquet card is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making that pop-up heart flower bouquet card. If you'd like to see more crafty fun videos like this, be sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!